Hi, this is Ralph with South Face Renewables. It's Saturday, March 23rd, and I've decided that I'm going to begin recording a series of videos showcasing jobs that we have in our 2024 pipeline. I'm going to make two types of videos. The first type is for homeowners that live in the greater Denver area who may be considering putting solar and or battery backup on their home. And I'm just going to keep those videos very high level, showcasing the projects that we're doing and our quality of work. Hopefully, if you're considering doing a project this season, you'll consider having us work on it. The second type of video I'm going to be making is for installers. It's going to be more getting into the nitty-gritty, the details of wire gauges, where they land, equipment layout, NEC codes, do's and do nots. So I will be offering both of those types of videos for every project that we do moving forward. I am currently looking for a cinematographer at a reasonable price point, so if you live in the greater Denver area and you are looking for work, please reach out to me. Let's get started. This is our shop. We're based out of Evergreen, Colorado, and we currently have material building up. We have a very, very busy spring, so this back corner here is an off-grid cabin up in Storm Mountain. That client's going to be using Briggs & Stratton Simplify batteries and a Solarc 15K inverter. These here are Tesla Powerwall 3 units. We had a delivery of 6 yesterday. 4 of them are already spoken for. These 2 are still in inventory, so if you're looking to move quick on a Powerwall project, give us a call. I'm loading up the van this coming week. We've got 2 jobs in Colorado Springs. The first is a Powerwall only job, and the second job is 14 Silfab Prime 380 watt panels with a Tesla Powerwall 3. As you can see, I've got all that material loaded up. We'll be rolling out Monday morning, getting a hotel for the week, and I will update you on that project as soon as I get a chance. Thanks again for tuning into our content. We're a small family-owned business based out of Evergreen, Colorado. I am a residential wireman. We do have a master electrician on record for the company. We primarily do solar and battery jobs. In the off-season, October through March, we do more traditional residential style electrical work. This is the home office where all of the design work and magic happens. I did forget to mention earlier when I was down in the shop that the very next video I release will be the overview of our 14 solar panel plus Powerwall 3 job. So check back soon. I should have that video uploaded next weekend. Thanks.